Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to manage the crew planning. First of all, open Blue Ops and the duty planning module. There is one line per crew member. You can also filter by type. Here we select the pilots. Set your time range. Click on Refresh Data. The time range is now updated. You can start working. Switch to Edit mode. Double-click on a date to set a shift. Select the duty type. Then set the recurrence by indicating the days and the times. In this example, we set 2 days of work and 2 days off. You can also create longer shifts. You just need to update the end day. You can update the duration of a shift by sliding your mouse to the left or to the right while clicking. It will only update one shift. To delete a shift, right-click on it and click on Delete. To print or send your planning, click on one day of the concerned month and click on Preview Print. You can update the time range and click on Submit. Your planning is now ready. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. We hope it will help you to work more efficiently. Do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to discover our next exclusive videos.